to Mr. Rajkumar, the Manager of Agriculture Chemical Malaysia Sdn Bhd, and for all staff here. Before we start, we are from Technical Consultant Design Team and my name is Syafika Adlina binti Samsudin. My ID number is SA18031. I would like to start the presentation by telling about the background of the current situation. So, in the previous meeting, the manager had requested the design team to renovate the office towards green office concept. Nowadays, our company is having a huge amount of electricity consumption. Hence, there is a need to have green technology, which is the monocrystalline solar panel. Furthermore, many organizations in Malaysia have already get the benefits from the green technology of solar panels. As previously stated, our company is in a need of monocrystalline solar panels for the energy saving and for the concept of green office technology. And due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the economy of our company is still suffering, and yet the electricity price continue to increase. So, in order to recommend the green technology concept for our office renovations, two types of monocrystalline solar panels, which are PS-ALPS255M and Sun Module Plus SW275 mono solar panel will be analyzed. We will compare these two monocrystalline solar panels and recommend the better one. Our team has done a deep research on these two monocrystalline solar panels companies, which are from Preferred Solar Company and Solar Work Company. Then, we also has communicate with their senior sales executive and solar engineers to obtain a detailed information about these two monocrystalline solar panels. Then, in evaluating these two monocrystalline solar panels, we also took four significant criteria into our consideration, which are module efficiency, maximum peak power, module dimensions, and temperature coefficients of maximum peak power.
Hello and good day. I am Zhen, a technical consultant of design team from Agricultural Chemicals Sdn Bhd. Buying the solar panel can be an exciting experience, but don't get too carried away by advertising. We need to focus on several important criteria of our purchase, as it is a substantial investment and we will be using it for a long period of time. The first criteria that need to be taken into consideration is the module efficiency. Sun Module Plus 275 mono solar panel has greater module efficiency of 16.40%, while the PSALPS 255M solar panel has lower module efficiency of 15.58%. The Sun Module Plus 275 mono solar panel with higher module efficiency enables higher percent of sunlight to be converted into the usable electricity. So with this, less solar panels are required to meet our energy requirement. So it also indicates a better overall panel qualities. So from here, we can make a small conclusion that the Sun Module Plus 275 mono solar panel generates more energy over the period of time as compared to PSALPS 255M solar panel. Next, the second criteria that need to be taken into consideration is the maximum peak power. Maximum peak power refers to the maximum power that can be generated by solar panel. PSALPS 255M solar panel has the maximum peak power of 255 watts. Meanwhile, Sun Module Plus SW275 mono solar panel has the maximum peak power of 275 watts. It is obvious that Sun Module Plus SW275 mono solar panel conforms to the requirement as compared to the PSALPS 255M solar panel. So if we decide to purchase the PSALPS 255M solar panel, then it will require us to install the low-cost solar concentrator. By this way, not only the maximum peak power can be increased, the module efficiency can be increased as well. Then our energy requirement can be met. Even though the additional installation of solar concentrator for the PSALPS 255M solar panel is not expensive, we would still recommend the Sun module plus SW 275 mono solar panel because it is more convenient and has a higher maximum peak power.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afrina Asyiqin binti and my student ID is SA18033. In my part, I will explain for the third and fourth criteria, which are module dimension and temperature coefficient of Pmax respectively. Based on the requirement, our company has said that the module dimension for monocrystalline solar panel must be smaller than 1690 mm x 1005 mm x 50 mm. One of the significant points for making recommendation to purchase the PSALPS 255M is because it has a smaller dimension of 1650 mm x 992 mm x 46 mm. On the other hand, Sun Module Plus SW275 Mono has a larger module dimension of 1675 mm x 1001 mm x 31 mm. Smaller module dimension takes up a smaller space on the roof and provides enough space for installation of solar concentrator when energy requirement is not met. In conclusion, PSALPS 255M covers a smaller area and provides a larger space on the office rooftops as compared to the Sun Module Plus SW275 Mono. Next, I will proceed with the temperature coefficient of Pmax. Temperature coefficient of Pmax required by our company must be below negative 0.5% per degree Celsius. PSALPS 255M has maximum peak power temperature coefficient of negative 0.37% per degree C, which means its maximum peak power decreased by 0.37% for every increase of 1 degree Celsius in temperature from 25 degrees Celsius. For Sun Module Plus SW275 Mono, the temperature coefficient of Pmax is negative 0.45% per degree Celsius. Hence, the performance of PSALPS 255M with a smaller temperature coefficient of Pmax will not affect much by the changes in temperature. Based on the comparison made, PSALPS 255 will have smaller power loss when exposed to great amount of heat as compared to Sun Module Plus SW275 Mono.
My name is Nurleyana Sahira binti Khuailid. I am one of the technical consultants from the design team. To summarize, some module mono solar panels generates more energy due to a higher module efficiency, which is 16.40% compared to PS monocrystalline solar panel 15.58%. Next, although PS monocrystalline solar panels have lower maximum peak power and requires us to install luminescent solar contractor, it is still a better deal to buy these solar panels. Next, for module dimension, some module plus mono solar panels covers smaller area than the other one. For temperature coefficient of maximum peak power, PS monocrystalline solar panels will lose less power than some module mono solar panels when exposed to heat. In conclusion, our team recommends buying Sun Module Plus SW275 mono solar panels as these solar panels meet all criteria based on the analysis done. Our green concept office could be realized by buying the recommended solar panels. Thank you.